What's up, guys? Welcome back to Survival and Stuff with another knife review, and today I'm going to be reviewing the Winchester multi-tool knife. Okay, so starting off with this knife, it's I'm not actually sure what the type of metal on this is. I'll have to check that out sometime. But so starting off, we'll just go through the tools. As you can see here, we have wine bottle opener. We have, this looks like a little pick. We have a small file. Sorry, got a small file. Okay, got a small file, Phillips screwdriver, and basically a mini knife. Okay, that's this side. This other side, there's more. We've got a regular size blade knife. We have, I think here, we've got a saw with large teeth, and we have a saw with small teeth. And then we have some scissors, along with a bottle and can opener. So for this knife, this is a pretty light knife, so it's easy to carry around. I love sticking these in my bug out bags and that type of stuff because they're handy with all these tools. It's got a little keychain here. I'll put in the description the price and where you can buy this. All the tools are stainless steel. Yeah, so as you can see right here, stainless steel. There's not too much about this knife. I like this knife. This is a good quality knife. I've had this for a long time and used it for many uses, and it's lasted me perfectly. I've only had to sharpen the knife and other things only a few times, and all that's been great. So yeah, this is an awesome knife. Thanks. Make sure you like and subscribe.